Injured workers in the state of Washington have their claims managed by the Department of Labor and Industries. By law, L&I has the right to assess the medical condition of injured workers. They do this with an IME, or independent medical exam. During an IME, a doctor will review medical records, examine an injured worker, and write a report. Be wary of independent medical exams. L&I calls them independent medical exams, but they are not independent, and they are not even really about the medical exam. They are about writing a report that makes you look bad.
L&I hires the same doctors time after time because they know that these doctors will give them quick and favorable reports. These IME doctors, no matter how friendly they appear, are not your friends. They're about as friendly as a velvet glove covering an iron fist.
The Department of Labor and Industries is not on your side. They attempt to save money by using the IME to say that your treatment should be over, the disability is minimal, and you are able to work. You are required by law to go to the IME. For the best outcome, you need to have knowledge of how the IME works. In this video, we will explain how to prepare for it, what to expect during the exam, and how your own doctor can help. If you lay around on the couch for days and take lots of pain pills prior to the exam, that's not going to help the IME doctors see the extent of your problem. They will use this against you. They will say your complaints are out of proportion to the findings. Don't let that happen to you. If it is okay with your doctor, reasonably use the affected body part the day before. Do not take any pain pills or anti-inflammatory medication the day of the IME. Whatever your problems are, they will show naturally. This will help the IME physician to more accurately assess your disability. It is important to review your medical records prior to the exam. Most of the IME will be the examiner looking at your medical records and asking you questions. The IME doctors would like to write something negative about you in their report. They don't care about you. What they care about is writing a report that says you exaggerate or you are faking it. So don't exaggerate and don't fake it. It's better to help them see for themselves the truth about your condition. Do not be offended by the doctor's questions about your ability to do things. It's his or her job to ask tough questions. Keep your cool and keep your answers brief. Do not volunteer information or offer opinions because they will either be ignored or used against you. Be honest and consistent with earlier information given in your medical history. If you don't recall the answer, simply say so.
Understand that the exam begins when you get out of your car and ends after you drive away. They may be watching you the entire time, including in the waiting room and in the parking lot. They would like to report that you limped in the exam room but walked normally back to your car. Don't let that happen to you.
The period after the IME is very important. If you get a bad IME report, you can make it better. This is the time when your doctor can most effectively assist you. It's up to you to make sure your doctor gets involved.
It's important that your doctor obtain a copy of the IME report and comment in writing about any disagreement with the report's findings and conclusions.
Your doctor can order a second opinion and schedule it with someone that he or she considers to be an expert. If that expert says the IME is wrong, and if your doctor agrees with that expert, you will have effectively outsmarted L&I at their own game.
IME reports ruin L&I claims every day. Don't let that happen to you. If you need a doctor to help, make that happen. If you need legal advice, talk to a lawyer. Help is available.
If you would like additional information about IMEs in the state of Washington, or to speak with an attorney about your case, call 206-343-1988 or visit sharplawfirm.org.